Hello everyone, welcome back to Health and Wellness with Lois. So today we're going to be talking about some of the biggest nutrition myths. To stick around till the end because myth number 5 might actually surprise you. Myth number 1, carbs make you fat. Hmm. Let's start with the basics. Carbs do not actually make you fat. What really leads to weight gain is consuming more calories than your body needs, regardless of whether those calories come from carbohydrates, proteins, or fats. In fact, carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. So the solution is choosing the right carbs, which include whole grains, fruits, veggies, instead of heavily processed options like the sugary snacks. Myth number 2, eating late at night causes weight gain. Another popular belief is that eating after 8 or 9 p.m. automatically leads to weight gain. The truth is that your body doesn't magically store food as fat just because the sun went down. What matters is what you eat and how much you are eating throughout the day. If your late night snack is balanced, options like yogurt with fruits, you are totally fine. But consuming a large portion of pizza at midnight, that is where the problem truly lies. Myth number 3, fat is bad for you. For years, fat was demonized, but the fact is, not all fats are bad. Trans fats and too much saturated fats are not good for your well-being. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fish are actually essential for brain function, hormone production, and even heart health. The trick is balance, not avoidance. Myth number 4, you need detox diets or cleansers. How many times have you heard that you need a juice cleanser to detox your body? Here's the truth. Your liver and kidney already do an amazing job at detoxing your body every single day. Juice cleansers and detoxifying teas aren't just unnecessary, they are sometimes harmful to the body. Instead, focus on staying hydrated, eating nutrient dense foods, and getting enough sleep. Myth number 5, skipping meals help you lose weight faster. Some people think skipping meals will help them shed weight quickly. While it might cut calories short time, it actually backfires. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism, leave you low on energy, and even lead to overeating later in the day. A more better approach is to ensure your meals are well balanced while applying portion control, as this could keep your energy steady and prevent eating excessively. So there you have it. These are some of the 5 most common nutrition myths. Remember, nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on balance, variety, and moderation, and you'll be miles away from internet myths. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we post new videos. Also, share it with your friends and loved ones who still think carbs are the enemy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.